Welcome back to Joy Tutorials. Today I would like to deliver information about BEd first year, first semester. What are the important questions examination point of view I am giving? Here, previous I given a few questions. Nature of science. This is nature of science and society common units for subjects. In first year pedagogy of a school subject is there na. In that this is common common units. Nature of science are given, science and society also given few questions. Now I am giving remaining questions. These are very helpful. Here discuss briefly about environment. Regarding considered to the environment, they are asking physical science for environment. Discuss briefly about physical science environment, social science environment, biological science environment. Like what is the information regarding environment. Connection between environment and a particular subject, like that they are asking. Here discuss briefly about physical science for environment asked. This question 2016 came. Environment may be defined as everything present in the universe. First of all, we have to see what is environment. Environment is coming from a French word environner, which means surrounds to and circle. Surrounds to and circle. This is a French word. Here environment surrounded by what are things are there? Biotic components are, abiotic components are there. Biotic components means which have life. Bio means life. Abiotic components means which have no life. Okay, biotic components, so you can remember PAM, plants, animals, microorganisms. Abiotic components, you can remember CPC, factors like chemical factors, physical factors, next climatic factors. Like that you can remember biotic components means you can remember PAM. Abiotic components means you can remember CPC factors. In universe, like air, water, soil, the sun, the moon, plants, everything is there. Animals, human beings, etc. Everything is there. And water bodies like rivers, oceans, and mountain, hills, valleys, deserts. So many things are there in our universe. Broadly, the environment has here 4 segments: atmosphere, lithosphere, hydrosphere, biosphere. Atmosphere, air is there. Biosphere, life is there. Organisms are there. Hydrosphere, water is there. Lithosphere, soil is there. Rocks are there. In science, we deal with facts, concepts, principles, and events that take place in nature. For a long time, human beings a part of a nature, and they are deal with the nature. For example, nowadays we are seeing environment. Human beings are incorporated with the environment. They are understanding the environment. They are have to change the whatever natural ecosystem. They have to change according to their needs. They have to change to artificial ecosystem. Like that, nowadays we are saying we are facing so many problems with human changes the environment. Human beings are deal with the nature. They started making tools. They started agriculture. They grew agricultural crops growing, and they domesticated domestic animals, like that. At this stage, human beings are depends upon so much for agriculture. They could be called agriculture beings. So they are depend upon so much. That's why we can call agricultural beings. Later, they started using nature and its resources according to their own demands. These developments transform to humans into transforms industrial beings. First of all, they are natural beings, agriculture beings, and natural beings. Then afterwards, they are transformed to industrial beings. At the present time, we have expansion of knowledge. We have transformed ourselves into knowledge beings. Okay, first of all, we are agriculture beings, natural beings, next industrial beings, now knowledge beings. Humans brought about changes in the environment. For example, he want to construct any park or any construction building or a road, anything means he have to remove all whatever is there, that hills, whatever is there, that all clear, and he makes based on their his ideology. But these activities resulted in pollution. It leads to so much pollution. Nowadays we are currently facing problem corona. Due to how it will come? Due to the microorganisms. Of late, pollution has started increasing at an alarming rate. This has drawn attention of general public as well as scientists. So nowadays, see, all are using a mask and sanitization, and they are maintaining clean and hygiene, etc. Na? The study of effects of contaminants like physical, chemical, biological, and the environment also become a part of the science. Scientists are started prevention of pollution. Why? Because prevention is better than cure. Na? That's why they are started prevention of pollution like water pollution, air pollution, sound pollution. So many different types of pollutions are there. Na? They are started prevention of pollution. They are conducting so much research, etc., regarding sustainable development, etc. For example, here the use of natural compressed natural gas (CNG) is there. Na? The use of natural CNG gas as a fuel in preference to petroleum and diesel helps in reducing the level of carbon dioxide. If it carbon dioxide will be increased, means our environment heat also increase. So it will capture so much radiation, it will catch harmful rays. So we have to use alternative sources of energy like wind energy, solar energy, geothermal energy. So many types of energy, tidal energy. These are all are there. Now we have to use alternative source of energy. We don't. We are always depend upon electricity, means it is very costly, and we have to be generate always electrical energy. So we have to be use wind, solar, nuclear, biogas, tides, geothermal, etc. Surely we can decrease the pollution and global warming. Next one, important ozone depletion is the largely happen due to accumulated of CFC, chlorofluorocarbons. How it will become chlorofluorocarbons? That spoiled refrigerators that all release these chlorofluorocarbons. These are harmful. This has been checked largely by the scientist. Ozone layer depletion. That means ozone means O3 gas. Three molecules of oxygen. O2 plus O, irreversible reaction to O3. So here what will be happen if it increases of large amount of chlorofluorocarbons, this reaction it will be irreversible. It will be converted into O2 plus O. So thin layer of this ozone layer act like a blanket. So this blanket will be become into thin layer, means it will be form some holes. That is ozone layer depletion. Next one, suitable devices has been installed to map to noise pollution and to control it. Next one, various measures have to be employed for controlling the radioactive pollution. The science is an essential for the environment and its improvement. If you have any doubts, you can comment in comment box. If you want more updates about important questions, examination point of view, you can like, share, subscribe to my channel. Thank you. Notes giving, this is very helpful for your exams. If you want, you can copy these notes. Okay, bye.